The status of dengue infection or spread has reached an alarming status. Hence, dengue patients have been afforded dedicated or express lanes in hospitals or medical facilities for prompt diagnosis and treatment. Our Bien Vinny Manalo has more details in this report.
This photo will refresh the memories of her 15-year-old son Mark Jan, who died of leptospirosis. On August 3, Mark Jan had feverish symptoms and body pain. They thought it was just the typical flu, but the child's condition got worse. His chest tightened, had difficulty breathing, and also began vomiting. They decided to rush him to the hospital. According to Janet, her son helped clean his friend's house, which was flooded during the recent typhoons. The child also confessed he sustained a deep scratch from a wire sticking out while cleaning, which may have been contaminated with bacteria.
Sabi niya, nahihilo na ako maganon. Sabi niya ganun. Dinala ko po siya sa East Avenue, sa ER-Pedia po. Tinapat na po kami ng doktor na severe na daw po. Hindi ko po patanggap. Ano po nangyari sa anak ko. Sabi nila, sumuka daw ng dugo. Kasi marami daw po. Yung pala critical na po yung anak ko.
Mark Jan, a grade 10 student, had dreams of someday becoming a police officer. But all of that was dashed because of leptospirosis. The child even left a will to his mother before he died.
Gusto niya sanang magpabili sa akin ng pantalon, pampasok. Sabi ko naman, sunod na lang yan kasi wala tayong budget. Ngayon po nawala na siya. Bumili po ko ng pantalon niya para sa burol niya. Doon ko po na sana binigay ko na yung pantalon na yun. Na pampasok. Humingi po ko ng tulong sa may mabuting puso po. Na sana po matulungan po kami na mapalibing po siya kasi sa ngayon po, hindi po kami, wala po talaga kami pinansyal. Kulang na kulang po talaga.
According to the latest reports of the Department of Health, there have been more than 2,000 cases of leptospirosis reported since June 8, a week after Pag-asa declared the official arrival of the rainy season. Due to this, DOH hospitals are on alert nationwide. Leptospirosis fast lanes have also been opened in some selected DOH hospitals in Metro Manila. Leptospirosis is a serious infection caused by Leptospira bacteria that animals excrete in their urine. It is usually acquired from water contaminated with rat urine, but cows, pigs, and dogs can also be carriers of Leptospira bacteria. It attacks internal organs such as the liver, lungs, kidneys, heart, and brain. Some of its symptoms are red eyes, seizures, difficulty of breathing, and severe pain in various parts of the body. Leptospirosis can evolve and cause death if neglected.
Meron man nararamdaman o wala, basta napalusong o kahit napadaplis o kahit natalsikan. Kasi pati yung mata, pati yung ilong sa kabibig, minsan yung wisik ng tubig baha, pwede hong makapasok dyan yung ating mikrobyo. Magpakonsulta na po kahit walang nararamdaman.
Meanwhile, aside from leptospirosis, the DOH is also closely monitoring the possible increase in dengue cases. Therefore, the department advises the importance of following their campaigns such as Taob, Taktak, Tuyo, Takip, and Alas 4 contra mosquitoes to avoid contracting the deadly disease. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.